Hello, I'm Adam from Motor Match Chester, and today I'll be taking you around in a previous vehicle. New in stock is a fantastic Renault Clio 1.5 litre dCi iconic 25 nav. This 2016 registered vehicle comes with superb condition throughout from two previous owners. It also boasts a part service history. The car is finished in diamond black paint, which looks incredible. It has 17-inch alloy wheels in the style design with black inserts. It also has decorative wing mirrors. The boot is nice and spacious and also comes with the Tyre Inflation Kit as well. Here is the back seats. Here are the Isofix child seat mounting points. The electronic window controls are controlled via the driver's side door, and here is the inside of the front. The car has two dials and as well as an electronic speedometer in the centre. The steering wheel features the volume controls that also double as the cruise control controls. There is also the parking assist button down the side. On the media screen, you can play whatever radio you want. Here are some presets already loaded into. You can also play your own media. You can also connect your phone to the car. The car also lets you know how eco-efficient driving you are. There is also a sat-nav built into the car. Additional settings are also provided in settings. Below the screen there were two air conditioning vents as well as the air conditioning controls. The car also has an electronic starting point as well as a 12-volt port. The car has a manual transmission, and here is the manual gearbox as well as a manual handbrake. This is how you put the car into different driving modes such as the Eco feature. There are also two cup holders by the handbrake. Additional storage is also provided in the armrest. RAC extended warranties are now available. For more information or to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire now online. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you soon at Motor Match Chester.